Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing WeirdWealth. Now as you can see, if you don't know what WeirdWealth is, it is basically a not safe for work website. So please watch this video with caution since it may contain not safe for work content. And as you can see, if you go to their website here, you can find their weird fetishes. So I'm not going into detail on that one. And as you can see here on Scam Advisor, they have a trust score of 71 out of 100, so they have positive highlights according to the SSL. Check the certificate is valid. DNS filter considers this website safe. Now, the negative highlights is that the website's owner is hiding who is using a paid service. We found several negative reviews about this site. This website has only been registered recently, so far this website is good. However, since this is a new site, it may still be a scam, so please be careful when using this. Now, as you can see, complete review, the company evaluation right here. The owner is website is hiding his identity, and this domain has only been registered recently. And now, if we go here to WeirdWealth, so one thing is that they actually take you to this site first before taking you to the real site, which is raises a red flag, since why wouldn't they take you to their website instantly? So yeah, this may be a scam. However, many people have said that this is legit, so please use this site with caution since it is relatively new and it's not been studied very well yet. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.